Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix the reference account is currently locked out Windows 10 or 11. First things first, you want to open the administrator account or enter safe mode with administrator privileges. Then, you want to press Win plus R on the keyboard to open the Run dialog. In here, you want to type in sec.paul.msc in the Run dialog and then press Enter once done. Here in the Local Security Policy window, you want to navigate to Security Settings, Account Policies, then Account Lockout Policy. In the right pane, just find and click on Account Lockout Threshold. Set then the value to 0, click Apply, and then OK to save the changes. Lastly, if you find this solution helpful, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you.